Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit reels in Instagram. So first, you have to launch your Instagram app in your mobile device. And here we could see on the bottom, there's a plus sign icon, tap on that. And from the gallery, you have to choose one of your video you want to edit. And on the top right corner, there's a next icon, simply tap on that option. And you'll get an interface like this. And over the top, there's a music section here. You can either voice over. On the top we could see there's an option of voice over, save or sound effects, or in the for you there's a lot of songs. You can simply tap on one of the songs, and on the top right corner there's a done option. You can simply pick a song and you can add it to your reels. And also we can add a sticker over here. Tap on the sticker icon and we could see a lot of stickers over here. You can choose whatever sticker you want to put it on your reels, just like this, and it will show up in your screen. And also filters on the top right corner beside the download option. Here we could see we can choose any filter you would want to see it in your reels, just like this. And after this you are done with your filter as well. And if you want to save your reel, simply tap on the top right corner icon, which is on the corner, and here we could see it will save without the music, and it will take a few minutes to be downloaded in your gallery. You can also edit the video, which is on the bottom left corner. There's a lot of options down, and let's go back to it. And after you're done with it, you can simply tap on the bottom right corner. There's the next option, and you can also write a caption if you want and put hashtags like this, and tap on the one of the hashtag provided by Instagram. And you can also set up a poll if you want to, and tap on the done, which is on the top right corner. And you can tag people over here from your following list. And here's an advanced setting, which is on the bottom. Tap on that, and you can simply toggle off this button if you want to prefer, if you don't want others use this reel as a template. And you can also turn off the comment section right here, and just like this, you can also hide like counts on this post, just toggling up this button. But if you don't want to, just simply tap on it back again. So this is it guys. And on the bottom you could see upload at highest quality. So if you want your reels to upload at highest quality, simply toggle up this button and it will upload at highest quality. And after you're done with editing, on the bottom there's a share option. Simply tap on that and you'll be able to post this reel. And this is how you can edit guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.